Lamborghini is accustomed to going all out with its supercar and soul SUV lineup. Power and performance are everything, and both must be done in style. At the same time, it's vital to offer customers the latest and best technologies available. And none of this is cheap. Such is the case of the all-new 2020 Lamborghini Sián Roadster, a V12-powered topless supercar with hybrid assist that's so expensive, the Italian company didn't even bother providing its price tag. If you have to ask, then you definitely can't afford one. As the sister ship to last year's Sián Coupe, the Roadster variant has the same general powertrain setup and overall styling. The main exception is the lack of a roof, a fact that forced designers to make a few cool changes when compared to the Coupe. There are few to any downsides to supercars like this, including the fact that some owners won't drive them in public, choosing instead to store them as a future investment. That's how special this supercar Roadster truly is. Lamborghini's familiar naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 has once again been called to duty. Only this time, it receives assistance from a 48-volt electric motor that provides an additional 34 horsepower on top of the V12's 785 horsepower for a total of 819 horsepower at 8,500 RPM. Expect a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of less than 2.9 seconds and a top speed of 217 miles per hour. Lamborghini is only building 19 examples of the Sián Roadster, and every single one of them has been spoken for. Official pricing hasn't been announced, but the coupe, which is also sold out, went for around $3.7 million each. Typically, open-top variants cost slightly more than their fixed-roof counterparts, so do the math. The competition at this level is ultra-limited. There's the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, though it doesn't have a naturally aspirated V12, but rather a twin-turbo V8 paired to 3 electric motors. Customers at this price bracket might even have a Koenigsegg Regera plug-in hybrid hypercar as part of their collection. Eventually, more supercars and hypercars will arrive on the scene featuring hybrid plug-in hybrid and all-electric powertrains.